What will happen to your body if you drink garlic water every day? Is garlic really the disease fighter you think it is? We dug into the science and found reasons you should add more garlic to your diet. Garlic water is an excellent way of adding garlic to your diet to possibly improve your health. Stick around to learn about garlic water's benefits. Garlic water, as the name implies, it refers to a drink prepared from garlic and water. There is not much difference nutritionally between raw and cooked garlic. So if there's one form you prefer over another, lean into it. What are the science-backed health benefits of eating garlic? In the past, garlic has been used and recommended for its anti-infective properties, basically its ability to prevent or treat infections. Lab studies have shown garlic to have antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiparasitic properties. Garlic is also probiotic, meaning it feeds good bacteria in your digestive tract, which further supports your overall health. Here are some of the benefits of eating garlic. Improves blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, lowering it has the potential to both reduce your risk of stroke and developing heart disease. A meta-analysis that looked at over 900 people published in the Journal of Nutrition in February 2016 found that those who took garlic supplements significantly lowered their blood pressure if they had high blood pressure. Those with normal or prehypertensive blood pressure did not reap notable benefits. Experts think the compounds in garlic deliver a 1 to 2 punch, both relaxing arteries and reducing their constriction. Garlic can help lower high cholesterol. Research shows that garlic supplements can slightly lower cholesterol levels if taken for at least 2 months. On average, total cholesterol dropped 17 points and LDL dropped 9. Still, a small reduction in cholesterol can have a sizable impact on your future heart disease risk. A mere 8% decrease in cholesterol has the potential to lower your cardiovascular disease risk by 38%. But eating more garlic won't hurt and may even help. More research is needed. May help prevent blood clots in higher doses. In a study that compared garlic supplements at 3 doses to Plavix, a blood clot prevention prescription medication, researchers found higher doses of garlic pills to be quite effective at blood clot prevention. That said, other research did not find any benefit of taking garlic pills for preventing blood clots. But taking garlic supplement or eating garlic won't hurt per se. Boost your immunity. Research showed that garlic supplements may help cut the number of colds you have, how long you are actually sick, and reduce illness symptoms. And also because of its anti-inflammatory properties, garlic could also protect you against future chronic disease. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that aged garlic extracts helped decrease cold and flu symptom severity and decrease the number of days off work or school missed due to illness. Garlic won't fight off colds, but it may help reduce symptoms. Benefits of drinking garlic in hot water. Taking raw garlic in hot water has been linked to many health benefits. Some of them include reduced risk of diseases. The mixture has been claimed to reduce the risk of disease, such as bacterial infections. Numerous studies confirm that garlic has antibiotic properties that help fight a broad spectrum of viruses, bacteria, and fungi. According to Medical News Today, garlic has a compound known as diallyl sulfide. It is 100 times more effective in fighting Campylobacter bacteria than 2 popular antibiotics. This Campylobacter bacteria is mainly known for causing foodborne intestinal infections. So, having a cup of garlic water may help prevent the bacterial action in your guts, as you benefit from garlic's antibiotic properties. Colds and coughs. Similarly, experts acknowledge garlic water is sometimes used to help prevent or treat coughs and colds. One study reported that using garlic regularly may decrease the frequency of colds in adults, but has no effect on duration of symptoms. Cardiovascular disease. Garlic water may also be good for your heart because garlic might help reduce several risk factors for cardiovascular disease. For example, one small study found that consuming garlic extracts reduced LDL bad cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and blood pressure. These are among the indicators and risk factors for heart disease. Similarly, consuming garlic water could be good for your heart because it might prevent cell damage and reduce plaque buildup in your arteries. The same study also found decreased levels of oxidation products in blood samples of those taking the garlic extracts. factors. Helps with detoxification. Detoxification, not a new term in the fitness industry, especially with the rise of detox diets. However, it has become prevalent and many people are curious about this concept. Detoxification or detox refers to the removal process of toxins from your body. One of the most important organs in the body's detoxification system is the liver, and a compound in garlic called diallyl disulfide may help prevent against alcohol-induced liver injury. Weight loss. A 2021 systematic review and meta-analysis analyzing randomized controlled trials on the effect of garlic supplementation on weight loss discovered it reduced waist circumference, although not body weight or BMI. According to the Centers for Disease Prevention and Control (CDC), too much belly fat indicates an increased risk of obesity, stroke, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Improve digestive health. Drinking garlic water is also believed to help improve your digestive health. Some say that it's better to drink this drink first thing in the morning because it stimulates digestion and appetite. Additionally, this drink can improve digestive health by preventing stomach issues like diarrhea if they are due to pathogenic bacteria. Combats depression. Drinking garlic water first thing in the morning is also said to help boost your mental health. Some people believe that garlic water contains natural mood-lifting properties that help balance chemicals in your body and regulate your mood. Depression sometimes arises when there is imbalance of these chemicals in your body. So when you use raw garlic to prepare this drink, you could reap its potential mood-enhancing properties and might ease depressive symptoms. Be sure to talk to a professional before consuming this drink for these benefits. It is not a substitute for any therapy or medication prescribed by a doctor. How to prepare garlic water. Add 2 or 3 cloves to your cup of water. Bring the mixture to a boil. Please turn off the heat when it boils. Let it cool and serve it in a glass. You can drink it as it is, or you can choose to add some lemon juice, parsley, or honey if you want more flavor. Note that the servings will vary depending on the number of cups you are using. But most importantly, make sure you do the following when preparing this mixture. Use fresh garlic cloves. Food experts cannot emphasize enough the importance of using fresh garlic to make garlic water. They argue that allicin compounds in garlic degrade when they sit out for too long. We do not want them to degrade because this compound contributes to most of the health benefits of garlic water. Peel the skin off the garlic. You must remove the skin of the garlic clove before you add it to your water. Only peel the cloves you are using and store the rest for later use. Boil until clove softens. Some recipes may not tell you how long you should boil the garlic clove. It would be best to boil it until it softens, and it's easy to pierce using a fork. Drink in moderation. Garlic water has numerous possible health benefits. Drinking too much of it does not mean you reap even more. There are some potential side effects from drinking in excess. Can you drink garlic water every day? Based on our discussion earlier, you may want to drink garlic water every day to reap the many benefits of this drink. You may be tempted to use more garlic cloves in a bid to get even more benefits as you can. Note that using too much garlic can result in some discomfort and stomach issues. In addition, it may result in bloating, diarrhea, even bad breath. So as tempting as it is important to drink this beverage in moderation. Side effects of garlic and lemon water. Whether you add lemon water or not, garlic water could result in some side effects. For example, researchers investigating the impact of garlic discovered that most common complaint among participants was gastrointestinal discomfort and nausea. Researchers also acknowledge other side effects could be experienced, including dizziness, headaches, bloating, profuse sweating, and sometimes allergies. In addition, consuming raw fresh garlic may also have addictive effects with anticoagulants or platelet aggregation inhibitors. It may lead to a life-threatening hemorrhage. So let a doctor know if you are on medications or have underlying health condition before you start drinking garlic water. On top of that, you may also experience bad breath because the bulb is known to cause a strong stench. So do not be surprised to notice your sweat and pee also smelling garlic. You can mask the stench by eating citrus fruits like oranges or drinking milk. Lastly, studies have found that too much allicin in the body may lead to a liver toxicity. So, you are urged to drink this beverage in moderation and not overdo it with the cloves. When is the best time to drink garlic water? Some drinks like garlic water are believed to be best at particular timelines. There are numerous possible benefits associated with drinking garlic water in the morning. So most people often find themselves having this drink in the morning. For years, this practice has been carried out in some cultures doctors and has been linked to named benefits above. Conclusion: drinking garlic water might benefit you in numerous ways. It could help prevent illness, support your mental health well-being, and digestive health. This drink may also reduce your risk of disease such as cancer, promote weight loss, and help protect your liver. So please take it in moderation and after getting your doctor's approval. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you like this video and you would like to see more contents like this, kindly like, share, leave a comment in the comment section, and also please subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed yet. Thanks for watching to the end. Have a nice day and look out for the next video.